We've all heard about the major systems in our bodies, like the digestive, respiratory, nervous, and cardiovascular systems. But there's one essential system discovered in the 90s that you probably never heard of. It makes all of the other systems work smoothly with each other. Like a conductor, ensuring the different sections of an orchestra all play a beautiful symphony together. This system is called the endocannabinoid system. It has been acknowledged and studied by scientists extensively with support from the National Institutes of Health. As we age, this system weakens.
Our body produces cannabinoids naturally, and the endocannabinoid system is how cannabis works basically, and how it has so many wide-ranging effects across the body and across different conditions. So super interesting that people are talking about this now, because it's been kind of taboo in the medical space for quite a while, and it wasn't something that was really taught in medical schools as well. So a lot of people are finding out this system exists for the first time, and nice description so far. And yeah, it's like a little signaling system that helps coordinate all of the different bodily functions, all of the digestive systems, cardiovascular systems across your body. And the whole goal of it is to maintain homeostasis and keep all of those different systems synchronized and in harmony, essentially. So one doesn't overpower the other, or one doesn't damage the other system.
Systems in our body stop working together smoothly. That's one of the reasons older adults struggle with pain, inflammation, cognitive decline, and other ailments of aging, for which doctors often prescribe dangerous and addictive pharmaceuticals. But here's the game changer. The system can be restored faster using hemp-derived CBD. When the system is restored, pain subsides, sleep is improved, and stress is reduced. When the system is restored, disease progression can slow down, and years are added to your life, as well as years spent in good health.